We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. So when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, we have to show it to the world. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning those from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior customer service can help you. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.